Hi, my name is Laura Turner, and I'm your child's teacher for Language Arts 9 in the 2021 through 2022 school year. I'm going to go over some important things about this class, and hopefully you'll walk away with a sense of getting an idea of what your kid does. You can also feel free to email me any questions that you might have. So my name is Laura Turner. As I said before, my email address is laturner@seattleschools.org, and I teach this class first period and fifth period. It's my 17th year overall as a teacher. I think of those 17 years, I've taught ninth grade, about 13 of them, and it's my 11th year teaching here at Ingram High School. In addition to ninth grade, I also teach 12th grade IB literature and an IB class called Theory of Knowledge. Here are the texts that we'll be doing. You can see that quarter one, we've just finished up with Of Mice and Men, and we'll be starting a memoir called Stealing Buddha's Dinner next. Then we'll be reading the graphic novel series March, which is about the life of John Lewis, along with some other texts from the civil rights movement then and now. We will also be reading selections from the Odyssey. Then in third quarter, we'll be reading some poetry, and that will be a to-be-determined unit. And then we'll be reading the memoir Night by Elie Wiesel about the Holocaust. In quarter four, we're going to be reading Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare, and then we'll be rounding out the year with yet another to-be-determined unit. I may poll students and see what they're interested in. The different foci of the class are clear written expression, reading skills, really honing in on our reading strategies and becoming a more analytical reader, and then using evidence to support our thinking both in writing and in speaking. Throughout the year, we'll be doing essays, oral presentations, a variety of creative assignments, really tapping into all of the different language arts with a focus of these three things. Honors designation is something that all students are eligible for, even though this class doesn't have an H currently attached to it on your child's schedule. We've blended all of the different student levels, and the honors designation is based on individual goal setting and then tracking those goals, as well as personal reflection. Again, I want to say that all students are eligible for the honors designation. We are focusing on student growth so that all students grow, as opposed to some students growing a lot and other students who maybe already be at the top feeling like they're languishing. Assignments are generally located in the OneNote or on Schoology, but because we're back in person, we are doing some in-class assignments on real paper like the olden days. If your child is absent, the best thing to do is to check out the Schoology and the OneNote to see if there are new things in the notebook or if there are any assignments that have been added on Schoology. So that is all of the information about this class. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Again, my email address is laturner, like Language Arts Turner, @seattleschools.org. The LA doesn't really stand for language arts, but it's just a nice coincidence. All right, thank you and enjoy your evening. Bye.